SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a powerful programming language used for interacting with relational database management systems, RDBMS. This includes fetching, updating, inserting, and removing data from tables within a database. There are various versions of SQL, known as SQL dialects, which include both free and paid options. Some examples of these dialects are Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, TSQL, Oracle, and MongoDB. All these flavors of SQL have a very similar syntax and only vary slightly in additional functionality. The main applications of SQL are vast and essential in the world of data management. With SQL, you can create, delete, and update tables in a database, access, manipulate, and modify data within a table, retrieve and summarize the necessary information from one or multiple tables, and add or remove specific rows or columns from a table. It is also worth noting that SQL easily integrates with other programming languages such as Python or R, allowing you to harness their combined power. In the world of SQL, an SQL statement, also known as an SQL command, is a string of characters interpreted by the SQL engine as a legal command and executed accordingly. Some examples of SQL statements include select, create, delete, drop, and revoke. There are several types of SQL commands, also known as SQL subsets, which include Data Definition Language, DDL, to define and modify the structure of a database. Data Manipulation Language, DML, to access, manipulate, and modify data in a database. Data Control Language, DCL, to control user access to the data in the database and give or revoke privileges to specific users or groups. Transaction Control Language, TSTCL, to control transactions in a database. Data Query Language, DQL, to perform queries on the data in a database to retrieve the necessary information. Some common SQL commands of each type include insert, DDL, create alter table, drop, truncate, and add column, DM, update, delete, and insert, DCL, grant and revoke, TCL, commit, set transaction, rollback, and save point, DQL. Select and conclusion. A database is a structured storage space where data is kept in many tables and organized so that the necessary information can be easily fetched, manipulated, and summarized. SQL is an essential and versatile tool for managing and querying databases in a variety of ways.